watching the RP, I was so angry. But you know what? I'll go pull out something. They said, how about we make a sleepover RP? One of her friends, or should I say, or should I, yeah, one of her other friends, you know, boy. He said, wait, no, he said, wait, no, they said, how about we make a sleepover RP? Sleepover RP. But I said, oh, fine. And then we made, then we said, how about we make a sleepover? And then we we went in my house, my tree house, from the carnival up here. But forget about that. Then we made a sleepover about Charlie and then Sugar Moon. And like some kind of boy or something. What do you call him? I don't remember his name. Also, just playing like 10 minutes ago, I think. And then he said, "Hey, can I be your pet?" I said no. And wait, no, I said no. And then he keeps ringing my doorbell, and I keep saying stop. It's annoying. And he's saying, "Why are you being so mean?" I said, "Because you're ringing my doorbell too hard, man." And then he decided to say he gonna get zesty. Instead, he went up and said, "Please, can I be your pet?" And then, look, he rang my doorbell and held up a sign saying, "I hope I don't get kidnapped." And I said, "Okay, yeah." I went back up my tree house. The man rang my doorbell and swished the sign around my tree house. I was there saying, "Oh hell no, what you doing at my house?" He said, "I might report you." I said, "Why?" He said, "You're being mean." I said, "Mean? You're ringing on my doorbell, you're making a sign. Dude, it's annoying." And then I said, "Fine, just don't report me." Here, that's what I thought. That's what you thought? Instead, thought about the fuck who left you. Okay? So that's all. So later. Hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye. It's already almost night time. 7:06 o'clock. But guys, I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to go, but I'll see you guys tomorrow, like in the morning. Oh, and also, I did my new hair. I got some space there. Let me put on my flashlight to show you guys. Ta-da! This is my new hairstyle. This is my new hairstyle. If you guys like it, like and subscribe for tomorrow. Bye!